From the earliest moments of our childhood, we all humans are innate learners. Just watching a child exploring the world around is learning in its purest form, fun and fulfilling. However, as we grow older, formal education and societal expectations has taken the joy out of this learning. We are in a knowledge-based industry where technology changes faster than fashion. More so in banking and financial services, who are early adopters of anything that is new and futuristic. Here, learning agility is table stakes. Just cannot afford to ignore it, right? We are pleased at Hexaware to present the various learning initiatives which has been made contemporary, personalized and gamified. Sonic is umbrella framework to channelize your learning initiatives through industry accredited external certifications. The progress we have made in GenAI is nothing short of fabulous. We have programs for various levels, foundational, advanced, architect, and all of them has provided hands-on learning experience on the latest of the technologies that have come into the play. Club Synergy again leverages the organizational intelligence in the form of communities. How can I forget the various learning awards, Knowledge Ninjas, Curiosity Catalyst, which has elevated the whole learning experience through gamification. Lastly, I implore you to take advantage of all of these learning initiatives to make learning a joy. Approach it with a lot of curiosity, creativity and passion. Learning itself is not the end, but the whole journey is rewarding. Thank you and take advantage of it. Have fun.